सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
COVID-19 cases in India hit the grim milestone of 1 lakh mark today as new infections rose to about 5,000 cases for second day in a row. India reported 4,970 new cases over the past 24 hours, taking the total COVID-19 count in the country to 1,01,139 and deaths rose by 134 to 3,163. Here's the state-wise breakup of the number of coronavirus cases, deaths and recoveries. With 35,058 COVID-19 active cases, Maharashtra continues to lead the state tally. The state has recorded 1,249 deaths so far, while 8,437 patients have recovered. Mumbai reported 1,185 fresh COVID-19 cases and 23 more deaths, taking the total case count to 21,152 and the death toll to 757. 55 police personnel of Maharashtra Police have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. Total number of positive cases in the police force in the state is now 1,328. Gujarat. The tally in the state stands at 11,745, while 694 people have died due to the coronavirus disease. Gujarat has seen 4,804 recoveries so far. Tamil Nadu. The southern state has 11,760 coronavirus cases. Tamil Nadu has seen 4,406 recoveries and 81 COVID-19 deaths. Delhi. As many as 10,054 people have tested positive for coronavirus in the national capital. 168 people have died from the infection, while 4,485 people have made a recovery. Rajasthan. Coronavirus cases in Rajasthan touched 5,507 on Tuesday. The state has reported 138 fatalities and 3,218 patients have recovered from the infection. Madhya Pradesh. The state has reported 5,236 positive cases of coronavirus. 256 people have died from COVID-19, while 2,435 people have recovered. Uttar Pradesh. The number of COVID-19 positive cases reaches 4,605 in Uttar Pradesh, while 2,783 people have recovered from coronavirus in Uttar Pradesh. 118 people have died from the infection here. West Bengal. The number of infected cases in West Bengal reached 2,825 on Tuesday. There have been 244 deaths and 1,006 recoveries in the state. Telangana. The number of COVID-19 positive cases reached 1,597 in the state so far. 1,000 people have made a recovery from the virus, while 35 people have died from COVID-19. Andhra Pradesh. The state has witnessed 2,474 positive COVID-19 patients and 1,552 cases of recovery. 50 people have died. Punjab. The COVID-19 tally jumped to 1,980 on Tuesday, while 37 people have died in Punjab. 1,547 patients have recovered. Karnataka. The state has recorded 1,246 COVID-19 cases and 37 deaths. As many as 530 people have been cured and discharged. Kerala. As per the Health Ministry, Kerala reported 630 coronavirus cases on Tuesday. Kerala has witnessed 4 deaths due to COVID-19, while 497 people have successfully recovered. India's death rate remains below that of other large nations. Its mortality rate for those with the disease is 3% as compared with 6% for the United States, where around 89,000 people have died, 14% for the United Kingdom and Italy, and 15% for France. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's recovery rate is faring well at 38.7%. Meanwhile, as the lockdown has been eased across the country and more migrant workers return to their home states, the Indian Council of Medical Research on Monday revised the testing protocol to include symptomatic returnees and migrants, hospitalized patients and frontline workers. On Monday, the Ministry of Home Affairs released guideline measures to be taken to contain the spread of COVID-19 at workplaces. According to a circular released by the MHA, there are 4 types of measures to be taken to check the spread of the virus. 1. Basic preventive measures. 2. Preventive measures for offices. 3 measures to be taken on occurrence of cases, and 4 closure of workplaces. Globally, 4.8 million people have been infected with COVID-19, while over 3.18 lakh casualties have been reported. US President Donald Trump once again attacked the WHO, called it a puppet of China, claiming that more people would have died from coronavirus in the country had he not imposed a ban on travel from China. Trump warned World Health Organization to make major improvements to COVID-19 testing or US fund freeze will be permanent. Brazil jumps to third in COVID-19 cases worldwide. Beijing, which has been under mounting global pressure, also seemed to have relented on its opposition for an inquiry into the origin of the virus, which is believed to have been originated from a wet market in Wuhan. Bureau Report, NMTV News.